What is that? What is that defense? Okay, now I'm not gonna have to worry about that team this game. Hey guys, I'm back for another video, and today I'm gonna talk about some stuff. This is a commentary video. And today I'm gonna be doing a game development tutorial. Alright, so this isn't gonna get into any of the craziness that involves, like, you know, I just realized I haven't had my pack on this whole time. I am an idiot. I am an idiot. I've been recording for like 6 hours today. I am an idiot. Anyway, if you guys want to make games, here's a list of the things you have to do. Not specific, like, this is how you code, bleh. It's like just the things you should do. Are you kidding me? Leave me alone. Stop. Stop. Why do people have to be so annoying? He didn't even friggin' hit me either. He just sat there and was like, yeah, I'm wasting your time. No, but anyway. I love making games. I've only done it a few times. I haven't released anything officially yet, but I've put quite a lot of effort towards making games. For, what was that? That lag back. Whoa! I almost just fell in the void. That almost was really bad. But anyway. Yeah, so I'm going to describe all the things it takes to make a game. So I guess to start off, I'm going to tell you how to do it my way. It's really easy, and it's a lot of fun. So what you're going to want to do is download Visual Studio. I use 2015 version. I don't know if you can get a newer version that's free. Doesn't really matter a heck of a lot to me, but, you know, just get a version of Visual Studio going. And then download Monogame. If you guys don't know what Monogame is, it's Microsoft XNA, which is basically a bunch of like graphics libraries and stuff that has been updated for modern times, because XNA wasn't, I think they dropped support for it a while ago, and people wanted the net framework, that programming. So Monogame's a thing. So yeah, use that, and you're gonna want to learn C# or any C language basically. No. Are you just trying to jump in the void? No. I was trying to stow away my diamonds in a spot where they couldn't see, but obviously they didn't want to fight anymore. So anyway, you're going to want to do that. You're going to want to learn Visual Studio, C++, or not C++. I mean, it's pretty similar to C++, to be honest with you. It's very similar to Java as well. So if you learn C#, you've almost completely learned Java. Also, why are you like this? Ow. You really? Are you serious? Are you serious? You know, why are people like this? That almost worked. In the void, bye. That was such a stupid decision. Why'd you do that? No. Oh, boy. Anyway, if you want a tutorial, I would recommend you look up The New Boston on YouTube for either the Java series or the... I don't know if they do a C++. I think he does a C++ series. Do that. Do the C++, because C# is basically the same thing. It's just got a few extra, you know, features, I guess. And once you do that, then you can get started. As far as the specifics go, I don't really know what you should do first. I mean, it's great to have, like, something small, you know, be able to create a grid of textures on the screen, load them up. Starting with a tile-based game is probably your best bet to begin with. Something 2D, something turn-based, not necessarily, but, you know, something that's 2D mostly, and grid-based, so squares. So we're looking at like the Pokemon type of games, like the old Pokemon games, the good ones. And you should be better off learning that way. And then you should try to, I don't know. At that point, it's up to you. If you think something's cool, go for it. And then as you go, if you don't know something, that's fine. Then just Google it. It's like how, I always forget this years later. It's like how to initialize a list of strings in Java. I always forget. And it's just like, you know what? There's no shame in that. Just because you don't know how to do something doesn't mean you shouldn't give up. You should just look it up and then continue on where you left off. And sometimes, I mean, rarely, the route you're going won't work at all. I mean, there's a lot of times when the way you do things isn't the most efficient, but it's the way you learn how to do it. And that's great because then it, like, you know, gives you a chance to learn how code works. It's not bad. Like, don't do what other people do. Don't like follow a tutorial and then make the same exact game as the person that's making the tutorial. Just explore the ideas, you know? Just like make your own game. Trailblaze. Don't look things up unless you absolutely need to, unless it's something on like the basic level, like how to declare a list. If you don't know how to display a tile map on a screen, then figure it out, you know? I mean, the way I figured it out is like, okay, there's a list of coordinates, right? I mean, I learned this from Minecraft. There's a list of coordinates in a game. So what if on every coordinate there was a tile or a 2D version of a block? Oh, nice. Well, that was quick. A 2D version of a block. In every coordinate, we get a 2D version of a block or a tile. And then you would just have a list of them. I had one list. That made things more complicated in the future because, you know, using X and Y coordinates had to be done in a workaround kind of way. So to get to something that's like at a specific X and Y coordinate, you had to take the width of the area, multiply it by the Y coordinate, and then add the X coordinate. And then that gave you that location in the list of tiles. Like that gave you where you're currently standing. I had to like write things down on paper. I was like, okay, this is how you figure that out. And I did. When it would have been easier to make, you know, a nested list or something, like an array list inside an array list of tiles, but I figured it out my own way, and that taught me a lot about code. And it's okay, because then you get to teach yourself new ways to do things. And you just grow as a person. You redo old work, and you keep learning. You're always a student. Don't make games immediately to make a product. Make games to learn. Thank you. Oh, that worked out really, really, really well. If every first bed break went like that, I would be super stoked. That was great. All right, I'm going straight to green. I am not saving any time. That went perfect because they brought me the diamonds when they died. Like, that was just, oh. If only it always ended up like that. But anyway, yeah. Don't treat it as if it's a chore. Just do it when you feel like it. But sometimes you do have to give yourself a goal. So maybe tell your friends, hey, I'm going to be making a game. I'd like you all to beta test it on Friday. And if it's not done by Friday, then you're going to look really stupid. So you got to finish it by Friday. And it's just like, just for fun, you know? I don't know. Just my advice. You just got to... Sometimes you gotta give yourself that push. Alright, I think I'm gonna break blue bed and then jump. Dude, I have been just on the rampage lately. Blip. Wee. Now let's see if anybody's been going for me. Gray might have. No, they were going for the other team. But it's a good thing I jumped because red is connected to my base, so that's not... Wait, they're connected to my base? Hold on. I gotta get my facts straight here. White's over there. I'm not blue team. What am I talking about? I don't even freaking know, man. Alright, I guess I'm going for white then. Yeah. Let's go white. That was... Ignore my brain. Alright, I'm exhausted. I have been playing Bed Wars straight for a very long time. I think at some point... I have these energy cubes... Like these little caffeine cubes that I brought with me to this thing. I'm thinking what I do is I eat one. Because it is almost dinner time, actually. I probably should eat my sandwich instead. Uh-oh. What is that? What is that defense? Okay, I know I'm not going to have to worry about that team this game. What the hell am I looking at right now? That's hilarious. I'm more scared of people going for my bed, though. Let's see. Who could go for my bed? Yellow's dead. Green's dead. I don't know. Also, something's going on in guild chat right now. I'm not quite sure what. But anyway, as for the game making tutorials, oh, hello, White. Hello, you were thinking about coming from my bed, but guess what? I'm here. Want to fight me, bruh? I don't think so, because you don't have a bed, so you're too scared. You're too scared to fight me and break my bed. What other advice should I give? Collaborating is hard. I don't think I successfully managed to make any of my programming projects a group project yet. Some people work better in groups, though. But if you're going to do that, make sure you guys, you know, learn GitHub and figure out, all right, I'll work on this file, you work on this file, and not be stupid about it and accidentally work on the same file and, you know, rewrite someone else's code. Things like that. It's really tough, though. When you bring multiple people into the equation, things start to get really complicated. So I think it's best to stick to small projects that you are passionate about, but you know what you got to do, if that makes sense. Also, there is a noob in mid, and there's a final kill in mid. Oh, he was the last person in the game. Okay. I guess I'll go break his bed then. He spent all of his time making this thing. And then, like, immediately disconnects and dies to me. Like, what? Okay. Oh, dude. I completely forgot. You know what's really great for game development? Working on mods for other games. And more specifically, I'm guessing a lot of you guys in the audience play Minecraft, or at least have played Minecraft or see Minecraft videos a lot. Dude, if you want to learn programming really, really fast, get into Minecraft plugin development for like CraftBucket / Spigot / BungieCord. Mostly CraftBucket because, you know, CraftBucket plugins work for Spigot. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, it is really good. Like, you should do it. It teaches you so much. I mean, it's Java. So if you're going to do that, then make sure you install Eclipse. And then make sure you go on to Spigot MC's website. And then you download a thing called Build Tools. And then you follow the instructions on the website. You're going to have to get a thing called git bash, I think. And then you run a command in the git bash here, or something like that. And then, like, spigot dot something. It tells you on the website. It's not important. But what it does is it will download the latest version of CraftBucket, Spigot, and BungieCord to your computer. And then what you do, you take those files, and you put them somewhere in your computer that's safe. So maybe in the My Documents folder, you make something called My Programming. That's what I did. And then you could put it in there, those jars. And then what you do is you install Eclipse, make a new project, and then call it something. I called mine SubiaCraft Menu. That's all it was. It was a compass menu. It, you know, teleported people around. Nice and simple plugin. Just an inventory menu with a compass. So there was that. What is this? Defense. Can you take knockback, please? What is what? Your connection is so crappy, dude. Oh my god, if you freaking live because of this lag. Nope, dead. But yeah, you're going to want to install that. And then what you do is you add to your resources the file. So Spigot MC, or no, CraftBucket is the one I'm using right now. I don't know if you could actually include Spigot as like a source. I think it's CraftBucket though. I don't know, it's weird. Anyway. That's what I use, is CraftBucket. So then you add that as a reference, and then there's a quick tutorial. There's all sorts of them. Make a basic plugin. I would recommend something where it's like, you're going to have to learn permissions. You're going to have to learn events. and event handlers mostly. So on enable is it's an essential method. I think that's what they call them in Java for a Spigot plugin. And then what you do is in the on enable method, you have to define all your permissions. So you'll have them defined up above, but then you'll say, like, say permission creative world is equal to new permission, whatever. And then you, in the on enable section, you would then initialize it. You would say it's equal to, or add permission, or I don't know what the function is. This is the stuff you look up in the tutorial, the specifics or whatever. I'm just providing the road path, or the, you know what I mean. The path for you to go on, not the specific way to do it. I don't want to hold your hand the whole way. If you want to make plugins, you just got to, you know, figure it out for yourself. That's part of the learning process of becoming a programmer or whatever. Anyway, once you've done that, you can, yeah, you'd have your permissions. I don't think permissions are really essential. Event handlers are definitely essential. So then what you would want to do is make a new class. You could set up a package system. So basically what packages are in Java, I'm pretty sure it's just like a folder. It's like a way to organize things. So you can make a package. Okay, that guy actually had armor, which is annoying. But you can make a package called commands and then have a bunch of jar files in there for all the commands in your plugin. You can have another package called events, and that's where all your event handler classes are. And basically what an event is in Minecraft, it's when something happens, like, well, mostly anything. So placing a block is a block place event. Breaking a block is a break block event. Chunk loading event, chunk unloading event, mob spawning event, mob... Okay. Are you kidding me, Green? You don't even have a bed. If he has TNT, I'm going to be so mad. He doesn't. And he's going to freaking get it because he has an axe. He's going to win. Damn it. Stupid. Well, that was another loss because this dude had, like, many levels of prot. I could not break it. Dude, I gotta win so many Bed Wars games. I am, like, not even halfway at this point. It needs to be 9 p.m. to hit the halfway point. Well, that's how ridiculous this challenge is. It's driving me nuts. I need to have at least 70 wins in 3 more hours. I think I can get there. 70 wins. What in the hell? Dude, this challenge is redonkulous. And I'm talking the whole time. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, once you figure out event handlers and stuff, you can do some really cool stuff. So maybe if you want to make it so that you cannot break a certain block in the game. So if you want to re-implement adventure mode, basically, you can have it so that, like, on block break event, if character.getInventory.get item in main hand is similar to a diamond shovel with the name block breaker. If that's not true, then cancel the block break event, and it basically makes the block just not break. I just gotta get one of these. There you go. And that's really all it is. You just got to make an event handler for a block break event and then just add one if statement. So basically in English, if the player is holding a shovel named block breaker, then it will let you break the block. Otherwise, it will cancel the block break event. That's it. And it just won't break the block. It's like that thing in plugins when you're breaking something you're not supposed to and the block immediately goes back, but for like a millisecond it's not there. That's what it looks like. That's because your client is catching up to what happened on the server. Normal stuff. But yeah, I would like to think I know quite a bit about plugins. I'm not the most experienced plugin developer, but, you know, I figured it out. And I've made some pretty cool stuff so far, including a builder's wand and a lunchbox, which replenishes your hunger bar over time. What else did I? And the document of order, which sorts chests. Not just any chests, but multiple chests at the same time. So that's cool. So you can sort like multiple chests as if it was one inventory. Also, I'm gonna go break blue bed. Real quick. Nobody knows I'm here. Wait. Oh, dang. He was over there. Well, that was inconvenient for blue. He went in and got the kill and immediately his bed went down. Let's hope the pink doesn't go for me because I feel like that's going to happen. I don't know. Probably. I've been playing so much Bed Wars today that I feel like I can predict basically anything. Including you disappearing. Probably just shifting in the generator, to be honest. Oh, you're in here. That was close enough. Are you kidding me? Oh, I just cracked my neck. Oh, he just got cleaned. Are you kidding me? Stop with this malarkey. No, no, no. Ow. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. Oh, come on. So many delays, dude. Bed Wars is a game of either sweep your way through super fast or get delayed by like one dude and then the game goes on forever. Did he just... He just failed a fireball jump. Good job. So plugin development and Monogame are my biggest recommendations for routes to take if you want to start making games. Trust me, you will not regret it. It is an awesome experience. And make sure to join Twitter if you do it, because then you actually can get, you know, shouted out by the Monogame people. I'm starting to get to the point where me getting emotional about the game just doesn't happen anymore. Unless it's like my bed's gone and I'm about to lose it. Otherwise, I'm chill. It's just like, eh, I died, oh well. I'm just going to get these because it's faster. I feel like I don't need to rely on that crap anymore. The armor. That's actually a pretty good feeling. So if I just like freaking... Oh, dude, look at this. No! Misclick. No one's hiding. Yeah, I can just... no one saw that at all. No one. No one saw that. Are there any other recommendations? As I said, don't do what people tell you to do, like specifically. Just have fun with your project. You want to make a Pokemon game? Make a Pokemon game. That was a dumb decision, Aqua. Why'd you do that? If you want to make a Legend of Zelda game, make a Legend of Zelda game. Call of Duty, go for it. I mean, it's going to be a little harder because 3D, but I bet you could learn it, you know? I am trying so hard not to fall in the void right now. I do not have enough blocks. Maybe I do. No, I don't. This time, let's not misclick by putting that in the proper spot. There you go. Oh, he could be really far away right now, actually. Crap. That's where he was. Going for my bed. Whoops. Well, time to actually try. This is gonna be annoying. There you are. You have a ball. That's a shame. Too bad I don't really have invis. Beep! And GG! Oh my god. When am I going to hit level 200, dude? Alright, so leave a like down below if you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not playing this map. No, no, no. But, yeah. So that's how you make games. Of course, you're going to need other tutorials for this one. But why not just go for it, dude? You got this. Or do that. There's female programmers out there. Shouldn't discriminate. I'm almost level 198.